Filters help you organize your data. You can filter documents created by you or shared with you. You can see designs shared with your team or use labels to categorize documents, making them easier to sort and easier to find. Now, you can also organize your documents into logical groupings using folders. The new folder will be added at the top level, called My Onshape. Clicking the folder opens it. You can create multiple levels of folders by repeating the same steps. Breadcrumbs along the top of the document list show you where you are, and you can use them to go back to any folder. There are two ways you can add documents to a folder. First, navigate to the required folder, then create a new document. When you go back to the Documents page, you will see that it resides in the folder you selected. The second method is to move an existing document. Right-click one or more documents and select Move To. Then navigate to the destination folder and select Move Here. Folders help you keep all your project-related documents in one place. However, the true power of folders comes when sharing documents with others. A top-level folder can be shared with an individual, a team, or an entire company. This means that any documents created in any of the subfolders automatically inherit the same permissions. This is ideal for providing a centralized location for storing standard parts and drawing templates for the whole company to use. It also means you don't have to remember to share new documents with each team or individual every time you create a document in the folder. Each document can still have its own share permissions, but any permissions you add are in addition to the ones inherited from the folder. For example, if the folder permissions are set to Can Edit, then anyone shared into the folder will be able to edit every document. You can add extra permissions, but if you try to restrict the permissions to Can View, it will still be editable because the folder permissions will supersede the document permissions because they are less restrictive. There are two more things you should be aware of. It is not possible to move a document that has been shared with you into one of your own folders, because this would create a conflict with permissions. Also, be aware that trashing a folder will trash all the subfolders and any documents in them. You can of course restore the entire folder if you need to. To avoid this, move all the documents you want to keep out of the folder first. Of course, Search will find documents within folders. If you want to open the folder where the document resides, click the folder link in the Details panel. Folders will help to keep projects with multiple documents more organized.